Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to appear offline while you're actually online on WhatsApp, there's a simple way to do it right from your phone settings. Here's how. First, open WhatsApp. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the settings icon at the bottom of the screen. If you're on Android, tap the three dots at the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in Settings, tap on Privacy. Then choose Last Seen and Online. This section allows you to control who can see when you were last active and whether you're online right now. By default, your status might be visible to everyone. To change that, tap on one of the other options. You can choose My Contacts if you only want people you've saved to see your status, My Contacts Except if you want to hide it from specific people, or Nobody if you want to appear completely offline to everyone. If you select Nobody for both your last seen and online options, you look offline even when you're actually using WhatsApp. Just remember, if you hide your status from others, you won't be able to see theirs either. And that's it. You've now hidden your online status on WhatsApp, making it look like you're offline while still being able to message and browse freely. If this helped, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more privacy tricks like this one.